In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Constant Contact. Keeping your account secure is essential, and updating your password regularly is one of the easiest ways to do that. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account with your usual credentials. If you're already signed in, you're ready to go. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the upper corner of the screen for your profile name or avatar. That's your account menu. Click it to open the drop down. On some layouts or mobile devices, this might appear as a small person icon or a menu button. Either way, you're looking for the account menu. From that drop down, open your account settings. The wording may vary slightly, but you'll see something like account settings or my settings. This is where you control your personal details and security preferences. Inside settings, locate the section labeled password or security. It may appear in a left-hand sidebar or as a tab within your settings page. Open that section to access the password fields. You'll be prompted to enter your current password first. This verifies that it's really you making the change. Then, type your new password and confirm it by entering it again. Take a moment to choose a strong password you haven't used elsewhere. A good rule of thumb is a longer passphrase or a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words or anything that can be easily guessed, and consider using a reputable password manager to generate and store it securely. When everything looks right, click Save or Update Password. If the two new entries don't match, or if the password doesn't meet the site's requirements, you'll see an error. Just adjust and try again. After saving, you may see a confirmation message. In some cases, you might be asked to sign in again. This is normal and helps protect your account. From now on, use your new password the next time you log in. If your browser or a password manager offers to update the saved password, go ahead and confirm the change so you don't run into autofill issues later. And remember, never share your password with anyone. That's it. Log in, open the account menu, go to settings, find the password or security section, enter your current and new password, and save. Thanks for watching, and keep your account secure by using strong, unique passwords.